Okay, same Cat6 wire that you have. We're going to put a regular Cat5 end on it. Put it inside the crimpers. Twist. Pull it off. Okay. Separate the conductors a little bit. We're going to trim that brown piece. We're going to untwist the wires, and then we got to straighten them out. Straightening them out is the most time-consuming part, and it will make your fingers numb. Green. Okay, and then we need to get the wires in the right order without letting them twist too badly on top of each other. We want as much of the wire to be straight going into the connector as possible. See how these last two are still kind of twisted? We can untwist them. Okay. Put them all in the right order. Flatten them out. Kind of wiggle it back and forth like this to straighten it. Then we're going to cut it. On the Cat6 wire we need to leave quite a bit. It's a little bit harder to get the perfect length, so we're going to cut it right around here. Grab your connector. Color is orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Put the connector on. We want the edge of the white jacket to be about here on the connector. It's going to crimp right here, so we need the jacket to be at least beyond that point. And we're going to look through the tip and make sure that we can see all the copper on top of it before we crimp it. We're going to push it in, try and get that jacket in a little more. I could have probably cut it a little bit shorter. Put it in the crimper, crimp, done.